Page 8, Song in the Meadow. So let's look it over. It's a page long, treble bass clef, 4/4 signature. I see quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Okay. Right hand first, because the hands are playing at the same time. This right third finger here that puts the right hand here. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's pretty much the right hand. Left hand is thumb on middle C that puts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is fun. You're kind of doing this. I glance down through this and I see the left hand, you're only playing, you do get some A's. You're basically playing these three notes, an A, B, and a C. Here. It's not quite so bad, I guess. Then I put the hands together. Well, we're here. We're in mid C position still. I'm going to hold the whole note down now. Then here. Then here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I go through the whole piece and put the hands together. And then I'll go back over maybe a line at a time or so, and I'll get rid of any hesitations. You can go as slow as you need to, but no hesitations. And once the hesitations are gone, then I add the dynamics or the louds and softs. And this just says medium soft, moderately soft, whatever, sort of soft. You decide. Not soft, just almost soft. I don't know. It's a range. It's a feel. What do you feel right? It's not always going to be the same level. Sometimes it'll be softer than other times because of where you are and how big the room is and the piano and all kinds of. You just have to judge it. What seems medium soft to me now in this situation on this piano? Then after I do the dynamics, then I add the speed. And this says moderately fast. In a singing style is more of interpretation. I do the interpretation later. Right now, it's the moderately fast I'm after. It's moderate. In the middle would be that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's moderate. Fast is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. It's in between. Somewhere, yeah, approximate. Couple of things. One is on measure 16. Remember the little numbers above the staff at the beginning of each line? Those are measure numbers. So measure 16, you have half notes in both hands. The right hand is a D here. The left hand is 2 B's. But you'll notice in the left hand, the B's are tied. So you play it like a whole note. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to hold the B down. So then the question is, why didn't they just put in a whole note? It's the same thing, huh? Look at measure 6. You got a whole note there. So why not just do measure 16 is the same thing, slightly different notes is all. So my guess is they're just doing it to show you that there's two different ways of getting the same result. A whole note or two half notes tied together. Yeah. If you're writing your own music, I would encourage you to just use the whole note. Yeah. Also at the end, the last two measures, you'll see between the stabs it says slower. That simply means you're slowing it down. Instead of moderately fast, now it's going to be moderately slow. How slow? I don't know, just slow it down. Because you're going 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. 1, 2, 3, and then so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See, I just slowed it down. It doesn't mean slow. It just means slower than moderately fast. So I would say moderately slow. Yeah. Now, once you can play this okay, slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. I can't do the slower at the end. Everything's got to be the same speed because that's what the metronome does. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Off.